Just got my new phone and I can't wait to plug in my earphones so I can listen to some music. All right. Hold on a second here. Where is... And that's the... where you plug in the battery. What the heck? There's no earphone jack in this. Am I doomed? What's up everybody? This is KG. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Google Headphone Adapter. Now, as many of you may have noticed, many of the new smartphones that are coming out do not have headphone jacks in them. And the automatic trend at this point is for many people to switch over and go to wireless headphones. But for some of us who like the traditional old headphones, or maybe we even have a nice set of old headphones that we want to continue using, how do we still do that? My old cell phone, which was the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, came with some nice 8kg earphones, and these are plug-in. And they work really nice, they sound really nice, and they're good quality. I wanted to continue using these once I got my new phone. My new phone was a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and that no longer has a headphone jack in it. So this here is my old phone. I'm going to bring it close to the camera so you can see the bottom. And if you look here, there was a headphone jack right over here, so I could plug in my earphones right here. And I'll do a quick demo of how easy that was. You just plug it in here, and see, that was the old headphone jack. So it was easy to play music, plug and play, right? So I wanted to be able to do the same thing on my new phone and not have to use wireless headphones all the time. So this is where I'm hoping that this Google Headphone Adapter will do the trick for me. So I'll quickly show you what's on the side of the box here. It has Google written on the side, and then you can flip it over to the back side and you can read what it is on the back. You can also see the price there, $15 Canadian. And when I read it, it says USB-C digital to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. So what this should allow you to do is plug in this portion to the USB-C and this to your headphones. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, I took the plastic case off the box. You can see there's a little hologram, Google hologram on the bottom of the box. Let's open it up. Okay, it looks like it will just slide open here. Okay, so it's sitting there nice and clean right in the box. Looks very simple to me. I'm going to take it out and give it a shot. Okay, so straight out of the box, USB-C plug-in and headphone jack plug-in. Feels nice quality, good quality product. Let's plug it in and give it a go. And also, let's just see if there's anything on the back of this box or any kind of an instruction. Oh yes. Here's a little Google booklet. It says English. You got English instructions. Gives you some basic safety. And I think that's about it. It just gives you some safety information about the product. Not really how to use it, because I think it is really easy to know what to do with it. So this here is my new phone. And let me just bring the bottom close to you so you can see there's no headphone jack here. There's a microphone section. There's a speaker section, and if you open up the bottom, you will see where you can plug in a USB-C. And that is where I'm going to plug in so that I can try to listen to music on here. Okay, so I got my adapter here, and I've opened this up, and let's plug it in. So plug this into the USB-C right here, as you can see. And now my phone is open, and let's plug in the headphones and see what happens. Let's see if it recognizes if I plug it in. Okay, so now my phone is hooked up through the adapter and my headphones are also plugged in. So I'm going to put them in my ears and try to listen to some music and see how it goes. Pushing play now. I'm going to turn the volume up. Yeah, good. I can drop the volume, it's working good. Sounds just like it did on my old phone. Okay, so it definitely worked. It did the job. The sound quality sounds exactly how it would have sounded on my other phone. So it's like no change. It's basically works just the same. So it's very, very simple. It's just plug and play. So if you're looking for a product that will quickly give you a chance to use your old headphones on the new smartphones, get this little adapter here for sure. It's quick and easy. So just giving you guys a last close-up so you remember what the product is here. Again, this is a very quick review because this is a very simple product to show. Now, if there are any of you that are watching that want to upgrade to a wireless option for headphones, I did do a review on the Defunk True Basic wireless earbuds. This is kind of what they look like inside the box. So I will leave a link to that video as well in case you want to see a wireless option. But if you're one of those people like me that like the old school ways, I like the wired headphones. I don't really like the wireless that much. They also run out of battery from time to time and then you got to recharge them, things like that. If you want the old school way, this adapter will do the job for you. It's very quick and easy. It's plug and play. And again, I have an Android phone which works off Google, and this is a Google product. So Google with Google, I assume it works well and adapts immediately. It knows what it is and you don't have to do anything. You just plug it and it works. So if you enjoyed this review, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care. We'll see you next time. Peace out.